We're now at the point where we can take our newly created DAT or appended DAT file, where we've added in the supplemental survey, and we can build a TIN file from that. So what I want to do is get back into my design file called aerial survey 3D.dgn and build my new TIN file, overwrite the particular one I have right now with my new DAT file, the DAT file that has this supplemental topographic survey in it. So I'm going to launch Power Civil and access the Build Triangles tool from my DTM toolset. At this point, I just need to select again my existing ground.dat, and I'm going to overwrite my existing ground.tin with this new DAT file. So when the alert comes up, I'm going to go ahead and click OK to overwrite it. I'll leave the side length as is, as I had before, at 20 units or meters in this case. Click Process, answer OK, and it will overwrite the TIN file. If I check along the bottom, it says Build Triangles Completed. So now I can go ahead and use my Load DTM Features tool to review the triangles and contours of this newly created TIN file. So I'm using the same existing ground.tin. All the settings are the same as I previously had them. So I'm turning triangles on. I'm making those red. I've got my contours on. I can reread them to make sure that I'm still within the same range and that the supplemental survey wasn't in a different elevation, but it falls within the same range in this case. I'm setting the same interval at 2 and 10. I'm setting my same line work, green for major, yellow for minor, and I'm going to label the major ones every 100 meters along the contour line. So I'll click Load, and I can see if I focus my attention on the obscure areas that I've picked up that information. So you can see that once you can continually create these DAT files, you can get them started, build the triangles from them, review them, and check, and maybe send the crews out there to pick up more data and add that in at a later time.